This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Crystal Growoski and Kim Lamb. Make this house your home. Great 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths with an office/den home. Great potential home that needs some TLC but has a great floor plan. As you enter the home, you have hardwood floors throughout with a separate dining room and kitchen/living room combo. The kitchen features included granite countertop with beautiful hardwood cabinets. Also, if you continue down the long hallway, you have all the spacious bedrooms with the den/office space. Then in the rear, the screened porch located looking over a large rear yard. The roof was just put on last year. Ideal location to downtown Orlando, the Mills District, minutes to I-4 and Winter Park. Great schools and community. For more information, review the details below or contact Crystal Growoski and Kim Lamb at 407-406-5322.